ready to ditch those long bank lines and send money abroad right from your fingertips. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to use Remitly on your phone first. If you haven't already, download the Remitly app from your app store. Once downloaded, open the app. If you're new to Remitly, tap Join Now and follow the prompts to create an account. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password to log and make sure to verify your account. Now, tap the Send To option. Select the country you want to send money to from the list. Next, enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. Choose your preferred delivery method, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. The options available will vary depending on the country you're sending to. Fill in the recipient's details accurately, including their full name, address, and bank details. If applicable, double-check everything to avoid any delays. Choose your payment method. You can add a new debit card, credit card, or use your bank account. Review all the details of your transfer carefully, including the amount, recipient information, and fees. If everything looks good, tap Send. Congratulations! Your money transfer is now being processed. You'll receive a confirmation message with a reference number you can share with your recipient. You can also track the transfer status within the app.